These are the projects that you need to build and work on if you're interested in working as a React developer. These projects are going to help you and teach you how to start a React project, how to organize your files and folders, and it's also going to teach you and help you implement all those React concepts that you just learned in your course or your tutorial. The first project is to build a business website. Build a website for a business that has multiple pages, multiple components, and multiple features. An idea would be like building a website for a restaurant or a coffee shop or a bookshop, just any type of small business. Especially if you are interested in freelancing as a React developer, you're going to work for businesses, you're going to work with small businesses, and if you want to use React, you need to learn and you need to know how to build a website for a business using React. It has to have multiple pages because that way you'll learn how to manage the state, how to pass the state, how to use React props, and all of that good React concept stuff inside of the project. If you are looking for ideas, for business website ideas to build with React, I recommend frontendmentor.io, check out Dribbble, check out Pinterest, and just look up business website design, and then you can build something out. The second project idea is an e-commerce website, again with multiple pages. And again, an e-commerce website, e-commerce is just where it's at. If you want to work as a web developer, as a React developer, e-commerce is just always booming. Any tech stack, any programming language that you're learning, always build an e-commerce website. Again, you're gonna be able to implement all of those concepts. You have the shopping cart element, you have price components, you have all of these, and you have to pass state and use React props and pass everything from each component to the other. So this is really gonna help you get down into that and into all of how React works and how it can work to really optimize your web app. So definitely build an e-commerce website. Now, the next three projects are huge projects, are really big projects. I recommend that you build one of the next three projects. If you build just one of them, like you're set, it'll be really good. Build one of them and build it well. Pay attention to every single detail. However, you can build all of them. You can, but I am a big believer in quality, so start with one, focus on one. So these next three projects are huge projects. They're really big and they reflect real world apps. They reflect real concepts. So social media app, task management app, and real-time chat app. So these three are things that you see in everyday life. Social media app, like that's, if you're a developer and you want to work for the big companies, like you need to do something like that, you know. Building a social media app, again, focus on all the small details. You will be able to implement every concept of React. Everything you've learned about React, you can implement it into these three projects. If you build one of these three, and the previous two that I mentioned, hiring managers, developers on our teams, they're going to tell you, hey, like you built this project, can you tell us about it? How did you build it? What did you use? Can we see the code? Make sure that's up on GitHub. Like, if you build one of these three, trust me, you're going to get a call back somewhere, somehow, because again, these projects, if you build one of these last three projects, it's not going to take you a week to build it. It's going to take time, but if you focus on every single detail and just make it like your top project, it's gonna show that you have the skill and ability to work on real world projects. And that's what hiring managers want to see. That's what clients want to see. They want to see that you can build these things. These are the project ideas. If you are interested in learning more about learning React, check out this video that I have that talks more about learning React. I also have other videos about front-end development, web development, freelancing, all of that good stuff. So check them out. All of them are linked down below. Check out my channel, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up and to subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. I will see you in the next one. Bye.